Here are some tips to supercharge your real estate investment journey with Fundrise. Define your objectives up front. Are you aiming for steady income or long-term appreciation? Having clear goals guides your investment decisions. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different properties and asset classes to reduce risk. Knowledge is your greatest asset. Keep abreast of market trends, Fundrise updates, and property performance to make informed decisions. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is wealth. Real estate investments thrive on patience and perseverance. Stay focused on your goals and trust in the process. Markets evolve, and so should your investment strategy. Periodically review your portfolio, make adjustments, and stay nimble in the face of change.